I went to go center the tires in the wheel well, and we ran out of brake cable. We're gonna cut this bracket right off, and we're gonna move it back. Because right here, you look, it's nothing more than a threaded rod. So we're gonna take the rod, and I got some 1/4-20 rod, and we're gonna run it. That way I can stick to the factory cables as well. All right, look up here, cotter pin. Get that out of here. I'm just gonna try and get this with a reciprocating saw. This works. All right, look at that. Nice. Now, pull that way down like this. We got all we're heading here. I have to chop this down even more, huh? Look right here. It's kind of like a bolt. The head's ground up. And that goes through that. It's not threaded in here. It should be able to slide too. So, I need to make this, and then I need to make one that goes inside here. So what I did, got a piece of threaded rod. I cleaned up the end, and I'm gonna put one like this. It's tack weld that right on. All right, I got it all cleaned up around here, and up in here. Wasn't too easy, but I managed to get that cleaned up pretty good. So this is gonna go over here like this. 12 mil. Probably gonna be backwards, as they always are. Yep. There we go. What do you got to say, man?
Here to see what you got going on over here.
This is Nate. He's my inspector.
Come to inspect this thing.
Yeah.
Dude, I already proved the wheels. The wheels, I already proved them.
I measured over about 1 inch on both sides. It's actually going to bring it forward about 1.5 inches. Just make sure I'm straight. It's good. Put a little tap right here. Okay. Get it up. Do it. All right, just threw a little self-etching primer and some paint on here. What we're gonna do, stick this in here, like that. Oops, hang on a minute. So that'll fit right in here. Just like that. Bring it up here. And this, I did cut it down. I'm gonna put some never sees on this. I'm gonna take this. I gotta put this pin in here. This. The hole. To the hole. And then this inside here. There we go. I'll put that on here. Yeah, I'm getting messy. I got never sees all over me now. What's new, right? This isn't too long. A little nut to lock it in place. counter pin in there. Tighten this up. All right, well, thanks for watching. This is it for now. Next video, I will be tearing out the A-frame and the front axle and convert it to a solid axle so I can put a 4-link suspension in here. I'm looking for Cadillac smoothness. But that's it for now. I'm gonna have to cut this down probably a little bit. It's a little on the long side. That's nothing, no. And you can see the cables. This gets bolted back up there. So we got plenty of room here. And plenty of room here. This gets bolted right here. You can see there's a lot of room. A lot of room for flex. But there you go. That's it. All right. I'll see you next episode.